Y'all, this video was going so well. What happened to him? Yeah, that didn't work out, y'all. What's good, y'all? It's RyeeVibez, and I'm back again with another video. So today we will be making Oreo balls. It only takes like 10 minutes, and it's no baking necessary at all. The only thing you would need for this is Oreos, some chocolate. I got white chocolate, but you can get milk chocolate, any kind of chocolate you want. You need some Ziploc bags, and you need some cream cheese, y'all. So let's just go ahead and get straight into this video.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
So, what you want to do first, get you some Oreos. Y'all, look at this, y'all. My roommates legit only left me one roll of Oreos. I told them I didn't need the whole pack. Y'all, they could've. Come on. But anyways, alright, so what you're gonna do now is get your Oreos and put them in a Ziploc bag. And basically, I got all of my ingredients from Walmart, and that's it. I just put about 5 Oreos in here, but just because I'm making some for just me and my roommate, so we don't need a lot. But if you want more, baby, do what you want, do what you please. So now what you want to do is crush them up. So what I do, I just use a regular old spoon, y'all, and I just literally just bang it while it's in the bag. So yeah, this is what it's looking like after I done crushed it up. I think I'm gonna need some more though, so I'm putting more Oreos in here. So I'm putting 3 more, and then make sure you know the air is out the bag completely. And then y'all don't even need no fancy material. This spoon and this Ziploc bag, this is really just working out great. Y'all, my glasses keep falling off my face. This is why I don't like wearing my glasses, because they keep falling off my face. And just to let y'all know, I did wash my hands prior to this video, and I washed out my little pan. So make sure y'all do that too. This is what it looks like after I done crushed all my Oreos up. As you can see, yeah, just crushed the Oreos. When you finish crunching your Oreos, you're just gonna put them in a bowl. I just got this little bowl right here. I hope this be enough. Next, you're gonna get your cream cheese. For with this part, it's just about eyeing it to see. I mean, they do got recipes out there, and it tells you like the exact amount, but for real, all you gotta do is add. Alright, so now I have my bowl and my cream cheese, and I'm literally adding like a little bit at a time, just to see. Just to let y'all know, your hands are definitely gonna get dirty with this. Alright, so this is how much cream cheese I put in the bowl with the Oreos. And a little bit, I'm going to start using my hands to mix it up. Yeah, so now I'm mixing it up, and it looks like this. You feel me? Yeah, I'm just putting my hands in here just to mix everything together, and it looks like I have just the right amount of cream cheese. Might need me some more Oreos. It's so ugly. Y'all, look at my glasses. Oh, and then my hands are dirty. Ugh. And now what you want to do is make your little, see I got my mix right here and all that. Now I'm just gonna make them into balls. I'm not the best at doing this, so I'm gonna let y'all know right now, it's not gonna be the prettiest, but it's gonna be edible. Alright, so then you gotta make it into balls or whatever shape your heart desires. Oh yeah, this is definitely enough. I want it to be more appealing to the eye. You can get little sticks like you make cake pops with, and like you can put like Oreos on top, crumbled up Oreos, and like you can mix white chocolate and milk chocolate to design it with. But this is, I don't understand what. Let me try this. All right, do this. Do this, y'all. It's definitely better. But when you're doing this, make sure you're not squeezing the Oreo down. Just do it softly with your palm. Bam! So yeah, you see the difference. This is my first one, and then this is my second one. Yeah, this is definitely, I got this. Y'all, I know I'm gonna have to make some more probably for my roommate. And yeah, that's it. So all that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with that I got 6 Oreo balls. I'm trying to think, should I make more? Now I'm gonna wash my hands because like I said, yeah, this sucks. So I just finished washing my hands and cleaning my glasses off because I don't know why I did it. Whoa. Squirrel. If you know what movie that came from, you cool. All right, y'all. So now that my Oreo balls are all finished and up here, I'm gonna do a thumbnail. Oh. So what you're gonna do is set your Oreo balls in the refrigerator for like 15 minutes, and then we're going to melt the chocolate and dip them into the chocolate and then set them back in there. I know, that was ugly. But you guys, I am back and I just took the Oreo balls out of the refrigerator. Also melted the chocolate in here, put it in this container and melted it. And yeah, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna put it in here and put like chocolate over it. And when you do this, make sure you be gentle so you know your ball will not come apart. I don't know how this about to look, y'all. Alright, you know what? This ain't about to be the cutest thing on the block. And as y'all can see, I'm low-key struggling. Shania! Come here! I know she's not like talking junk. How am I supposed to put this chocolate up here? Don't get too close to the camera. Ow! You're supposed to do this. Where did you get that from?
Put the ball in there.
Oh, listen, put it in here though. That's what I did with that one, and it starts coming apart.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you, ma'am. If y'all know a better technique of putting the chocolate up here without it looking such a mess, please comment down below. Cause this is like my second time making these. And like I said, I never used this chocolate before. The other chocolate melted better and I could just dip it in there. But this chocolate is making a mess. Or I can just say, oh, I could do a design and just had the chocolate dripping. I should have been doing that.
Oh yeah.
Girl, I am a chef.
Boy, if you
covered in chocolate. Like, yeah, I don't recommend getting this type of chocolate. OMG, it done came apart. Wow. Yeah, this ain't the best. Huh? What you say? Come in here. I can't hear you. It's just not gonna be cute. It's not gonna be cute, but it's gonna be delicious. I'm telling y'all. them.
They look great.
Thank you.
What happened to them?
I tried to put the chocolate there. You saw them before. They was balls.
Before when?
Before
She ain't see them. I saw them, but they was balls before they went in there.
So what happened?
I put the chocolate up there and then it just did this.
That one looks good.
Yeah, that's a good one. Now that one. The
And then the rest of them just look
What about
spiky.
this one?
No.
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 No. No.
Okay, but they still gonna be good. Okay, you guys, so that will be all for this video. Let me show y'all how my Oreo rolls turned out. Alright, you guys, so that will be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope just because you know mine did not turn out the prettiest, that should stop. Y'all should make them yourself and then tag me in it so you know I can see how it's really done. You feel me? So that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe and make sure you guys check out my other videos like my Q&A, my clothing haul, and my reaction video. Make sure you guys tag me in y'all pictures. And I don't think nobody can outdo me for real. I mean, who can outdo this? Like, I don't think nobody can. So, do I hear a challenge somewhere? Challenge. So that'll be it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. What? What she said, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Please, I'm trying to get this video out the way, man. I've been trying to do this since 5 o'clock. It's 7:06. Oh my God!
Why did you fart like that?
Oh my God, why would you do that? You had to hit my back like that. You feel me? And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you think you can do better than me, I doubt it. But you can try. Let me see you try to make some Oreo balls.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Get out.
What?
Period. Bye.
That's what you love.